Hey beautiful people, it's Courtney. Today I'm testing out some Karina Garcia DIYs and life hacks. I used to do this series on my channel a while ago, probably around a year ago now, where I would test out different YouTubers' DIYs and life hacks and see how they worked. So that's what I'm doing today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So that's gonna be what we're doing today. We're gonna be doing some slimes, life hacks, DIYs. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Please let me know if you would maybe like me to bring back this series to my channel in the comments down below. And before we jump into it, I'm having a giveaway for a $250 Visa gift card. It is open international and is running until May 24th. And the only thing you have to do to enter is be subscribed to this channel and my slime channel, and also both of my Instagrams. So I'm gonna link all of that down below. You can just click on all the links and make sure you're following, and then you're gonna be entered to win. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first DIY I'm going to be testing is her DIY mini slime. Now when she did this, they came out so adorable. So I wanted to try out the mini jelly cube slime she did. So I'm taking some clear slime and just activating it a little bit. And as she mentioned, she said of course you could do this like in a big batch and then take a little piece, but I love how she used like little jelly cubes and everything. It was so cute. So I'm just mixing this together, and I've never made a mini slime, so I wasn't sure how much activator it was gonna need. So I just did it in really small amounts and just kept adding my activator into it. And once it became kind of like sticky, I just started to knead it with my hands. Now hers stayed completely clear for her clear slimes. So I have no idea why mine turned so cloudy, but hers was just really clear, which was awesome. Mine definitely did cloud up some, so it has to sit for a little bit for it to be totally clear. But then I'm just adding in a small amount of food coloring, not even a full drop, and I tried to mix it like with a toothpick and that just didn't work. It was kind of hard to like mix this and to get a grip on it since it was so tiny, but I made it work. So once the color was completely mixed together, I went ahead and added in some Fimo slices to it. She added some fruit ones. This is like fruit and flower like little slices, so I think it's really cute. It made this look super adorable. But my favorite part by far was adding in little tiny jelly cubes. So I'm taking just one square of a normal jelly cube and like slicing just a thin little slice off the end of it, and then just cutting it into small squares. This was actually kind of hard to do because it was just so tiny and I couldn't like get a good grip on it. It kept wanting to like stick to everything. So I just got some little tiny little jelly cubes, and then I just started to knead it in. And oh my gosh, you guys, this is so adorable. I love this. If you want to see me do like a complete video on different mini slimes, I think that'd be so much fun because this turned out just so adorable. I'm obsessed. It was still really stretchy and had a fun texture, and it was actually kind of like really fun to play with just while I was sitting there because it wasn't like a big mess or anything. It was like very holdable, but I could still stretch it. I was like super impressed. I loved this one so much. So it gets a huge thumbs up. She had some really cute mini slimes, so I'm gonna link her channel down below, of course, but I'm sure you guys are already subscribed to her, but I will go ahead and leave that down below. For our next DIY, we're going to test out her squishy phone case. So I'm just taking a clear phone case, and I have a bunch of squishies. These are just some squishies from my collection, but you could get them like off of Amazon or Etsy. There's a bunch of websites that sells squishies. So these are just some smaller ones that I arranged on here. It was kind of hard to like arrange them in a way that would fit without making the phone case too big and bulky. I mean, this is going to be kind of a bulky phone case regardless, but I think it turned out really cute. So I'm just hot gluing all the squishies to the phone case, and it gives it just an amazing texture. It's really fun to like squeeze the phone case and hold it. So I really like this one as well. So I'm just hot gluing them all, and then she went in with some like charms and stuff, so that's what I decided to do. I just kind of filled in some of the blank spaces with some different charms. So I just hot glued those on there as well and just kind of fit everything together. So this isn't a very sleek phone case. You definitely aren't going to be sliding your phone into your pocket with this, but I think it's super cute, and I love how easy it was to make, but it's like looks like it took a lot of effort. So I like this one a lot. Let me know what you guys think. Would you like me to do a full video where I test out different like phone cases, or I do my own like DIY phone case ideas? Let me know if you'd like to see that, and I could definitely create a video like that. And then we're going to be testing out some beauty life hacks. So this first one I was hoping would work because my suede shoes always kind of get marks on them, and she used like a loaf of bread and he ate the rest of our loaf of bread. So I used like a stale white slice. I let it sit out to get harder, but it was still super crumbly. It was supposed to like take off the mark, and then I decided, hey, let's try a tortilla shell. Maybe that would work. It seems like it worked a little bit, but this was just really messy and crumbly. As you can see, it left crumbs everywhere, and I think the tortilla might have helped a little bit, but the marks were still there. So if you have a hack to get rid of marks on suede shoes, please let me know what you do, because I scuff up my shoes all the time. I need a fix for this. And then the last hack is to use Q-tips to pop your blackheads instead of using your fingernails to help prevent scarring. Now this one just didn't work for me. I could not get a good enough grip. Have you tried this one? Let me know, and let me know if it worked for you. So what'd you think? Did you enjoy this video? Let me know in the comments down below what you thought, if you want me to keep doing these. And also, as always, my previous videos are on over to the side of me. You could just click on them if you'd like to check them out. And also don't forget to enter my giveaway. All the details are going to be down below in the description box, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye!